Evaluate the expression if x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 4. The expression is 5x plus 7y divided by the quantity 3 times, in parentheses, x plus y. So let's substitute values in for x and y. X is -2. Y is equal to 4. We'll do this in both the numerator and denominator. And then let's simplify this, or you might say evaluate it. In the numerator, let's do the multiplication first. 5 times -2 is a -10, plus 7 times 4 is 28. In the denominator, let's complete this quantity in parentheses. -2 plus 4 is 2. Back to the numerator. -10 plus 28 is 18. In the denominator, 3 times 2 is 6. And lastly, that quotient, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So this expression does simplify to the quantity 3.